Hi, Sadie here, and I am going to show you how to sew the burrito method for inserting a gusset in a pair of briefs. This technique works for any underwear or brief pattern that has both a gusset and a gusset lining. The first thing you're going to need to do is place your gusset lining right side up, and then you're going to place the brief back on top of that, also right side up, and lining up that bottom edge. Take your main gusset piece right side down and line up that bottom edge. And now I'm going to pin all three of those layers together to create a gusset sandwich. I'm going to start in the center and then pin from the sides in. So now that I have this pinned, I'm going to head over to my machine and stitch that across. All right, so now you can see I've stitched across that bottom of the back piece and my gusset sandwich. Now I'm going to take my front of my undies and I'm going to place it right sides together. So this one is face down, and I'm roughly lining up my side seams here. So next I'm going to take the bottom of the front of the undies. This is kind of like the top of the crotch piece. And I'm going to bring that main gusset up, and I'm going to line up those two raw edges, right sides facing, and I'm going to just put a little pin in there just to hold it in place. That's all I need to do. Now I'm going to roll the top edge, both of the front and the back. This is the burrito method, so I'm rolling this like a burrito into the center. I'm bringing my gusset lining around the back. I'm bringing it all the way around, and now I'm meeting it up to where I placed that pin, and I'm going to create another gusset sandwich. This time I'm going to pin it, again, like I did before, starting in the center, and then from the outsides moving in. And you just want to line up all of those raw edges really well. I'm going to pin it, and then I'm going to go stitch this at the machine. So now you can see I've stitched that seam across, and that's really it. So now it's a matter of turning out the burrito, and there you have both seams of your gusset and gusset lining are fully hidden, making it look like a professional pair of underwear or briefs. So that's the burrito method for making a gusset. This technique is used in our everyday briefs pattern in the everyday lingerie course, as well as our period undies pattern. And all of this talk about burritos and sandwiches is making me super hungry, so I'm gonna go have a snack. But if you want more techniques like this, let us know in the comments. Happy sewing!